Bagi saya, gunung adalah ruang tamu, di mana cerita lama diseduh kembali bersama aroma tanah basah. Namun sayangnya, kesibukan membuat diri ini semakin jarang berkunjung. Hingga akhirnya, di antara menumpuknya pekerjaan, rindu itu mengendap diam-diam. Bersama para sahabat, saya kembali bertamu pada gunung, tidak untuk menaklukkan apapun, kecuali jarak.
Pesona Ketep goes to Andong. Let's go!
Go and read your mind. Think about your dumb face all the time. Living in your glass house, I'm outside. Looking in a big blue eyes. Did it just to hurt me, make me cry?
Kalau bosan tidur di rumah, tidur di pesona aja, Mas. Coba kita kesini lagi.
I'm positive I
Perjalanan kita ke puncak Gunung Andong kali ini, marilah kita berdoa menurut keyakinan dan agamanya masing-masing.
Making eyes from across the room. Wait, I think I've been there too. What you do to get
Mana
you?
keterlihatan yang tadi?
Bagus bro. Kamera itu.
Itu apa itu?
Apa nih?
Ikan salamon. Ya. Nah, sekarang banyak banget Gen Z tuh nggak mau menikah.
Kenapa tuh?
Lihat ini dong.
Business, but you think that she's so cool, kicking back on your couch, making eyes from across the room. Wait, I think I've been there too. You got me thinking she's so cool, but I know what I know, and you're just another dude. That's so true. Made it out alive, but I think I lost it. Said that I was fine, said it from my coffin. Remember how I died when you started walking? That's my life, that's my life. I'll put up a fight, taking out my earrings. Don't you know the vibe? Don't you know the feeling? It's just been the night, catch me on your ceiling. That's your prize, that's your prize. Well, bet you're thinking she's so cool, kicking back on your couch, making eyes from across the room. Wait, I think I've been there too. You got me thinking she's so cool, but I know what I know, and you're just another dude. That's so true.
Put, andong temu gitu landai kan?
Andai matamu melihat